The lesson sets. Dear students, today we are going to study lesson sets, and in this lesson we will see the definition of set and the methods of writing set. Definition of set and methods of writing set. So the lesson sets. What is meant by set? In everyday life, we often talk about the collection of objects. For example, group of students, cricket team, collection of flowers, that means flower bouquet, or book sets of different classes. So these all are the sets. But how it is properly defined? The definition of set is it is the well defined collection of objects is called set. But what is this well defined collection? To understand what is meant by well defined collection, let us consider one example like if I ask to write down the set of happy students from your class, can you write it? No, exactly not. You may arise one question, which student we should include? Okay, you may confuse. So maybe all students will write different students. Okay, different students. So it is not a well defined. But now I am changing the question. The set of students from your class whose name starting by letter S. And now try to write down. So now everyone will write down the set like a Sanidhya, Sujal, Samruddhi, Shruti, Sanjana, Sarthak, like that. All students will write the same list of students. So it is a well defined. So understood now what is the well defined. Okay. So the definition of set is the well defined collection of objects is known as set. Okay. Now we will see some examples of set. So first examples here I have given first 5 natural number. So if I asked in your class, then definitely all will answer same, that is the 1, 2, 3, then 4 and then 5 in this way. Months of year, that also everyone will say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The same question, collection of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, so that we can write down easily. So these all are the set, and now many sets we can write like colors of rainbow, or you can write the month of the year in Marathi, or Marathi month of a year. So many examples you can write. So you have to write here two example 4 and 5. You have to complete yourself. Okay, you can write any two example. Now we will see the methods of writing set. So there are the two methods of writing set, that is the listing method or roster method, and another is the rule method or set builder form method. So first we will see listing method. So in listing method there is some rules. Some rule is given, that is the use of curly bracket and then elements separated by commas and repeated element write only once. So we will use this while writing the set in the listing form. So here the first question is the set of prime number from 1 to 25. So we know very well what is meant by prime number. Prime number means a number whose factors are 1 and that number. Okay, So here the numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, then 19 and 25. So here limitation is given 25. So here 25 is not a prime number, or 24 also not prime number. So last number is 23. So in this way you can write the in the form of listing method the set of even natural number. The same way you can write down the even natural number. Okay, so even natural number means in curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8. The set of odd numbers, same way you can write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Got it? The set of square of first natural number. The set of square of first natural number means natural, we have to make a square of natural number, that means 1. What is the square of 1? 1 only. And then second natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way. And what is the first? Means square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36, square of 7 is 49, square of 8 is 64, square of 9 is 81, and square of 10 is 100. So in this way we have written in the listing form, because here is the given the set of square of first write your question 10 natural number. Okay, if there is the question 10 natural number, so in this way you can write. So in this way you have to write down 2 more example. Okay, like the set of whole number you may write, or many examples you can write. Set of vowels you can write, or the set of colors of rainbow, like that. You can any example you may write here, 2 example. Okay, now we will see the rule method. So again in rule method also there instruction we have to follow. Use the curly bracket, and then use of here only use of any variable we have to use, and then use of colon or vertical line. You may use this colon or this vertical line. So now let us see how we can write down rule method. So example is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay, first look this listing method. Okay, so if we observe carefully, what we will see here, these are the natural number, even natural number, isn't it? 2 is a even natural number, 4 is even, 6, 8, then 10, 12 and 14. So these all are the natural number, but up to 14. So limitation is up to 14. Okay, so now see, here first we will use the curly bracket. So here curly bracket, and then use of any variable. So I have used here x. Okay, after this x we can use colon or vertical line. So after x, this colon or vertical line, and then define what is this exact x. What we had observed this, and what we understood, these all are the even natural numbers. So here write down x is even natural number, and here the condition is given up to 14 only. So here we can write down less than 15. Less than 15 means up to 14 will come, and close this curly bracket. Understood? So what we have to do while writing rule method, just observe carefully whatever given in the listing method, and then use curly bracket and use any variable, and then use vertical line or colon, and then define what is exactly given. Okay, next see another example. Here is the And now see, first we will see the how to read. Its curly bracket read as the set of x, and this vertical line read as such that, the set of x such that x is an even natural number less than 15. Got it? And now see another example. Here it is given A, E, I, O, U, and we know very well what are these. A, E, I, O, U, nothing but the vowels in English alphabet. So the same we can write, use first curly bracket, then Y is a vowel. Simple. Okay. Now see next example. Here it is given 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. If we observe this carefully, what we can see, this 1 means if 1, and then this is the now see here second, this is the cube of 2, it isn't it, and this third is cube of 3, and this 64 is cube of 4, and this first is we can write cube of 1. Okay, so now see careful, this what are these, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the natural number, and here it is the cube. That means we can say these all are the cube of natural number. Okay, that means we can define this x. Okay, take one variable any x, and if we take x here, then we keep vertical line. And what is this x? X is a cube of natural number, so here I am writing cube of natural number. Okay, but what is the small n? Again we have to define small n is a natural number, so it is belongs to capital N, means natural number. Okay, in this way, then again here comma, and this natural number, the limitation of this natural numbers is this number, so small n is less than or equal to 5. Understood? Now we will see the next example, 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. What are these? This is nothing but the square, 1 square 1. Okay, the square of 1 square 1, then this is the 2 square, and then 3 square, like that. So here we can write down square of natural number, that means x is equals to n square. And what is this n? This n is belongs to natural number, and the limitation is given n is less than or equal to 5. Okay, so in this way you have to write down 2 example, and then in homework you have to write down the set in listing methods, natural method, which is denoted by capital N, then what is the whole number, which is denoted by W, and set of integers. So this question you have to write down. So up to this you study today, and then tomorrow we will see the next topic of this lesson.